Should you subscribe to IKIO Lighting IPO or not? How are the company's financials? What's the long-term outlook? We will tell you all about it in today's video. I'm Neha Vashisht from ET Markets. Let's start with the company's profile. IKIO Lighting is an Indian manufacturer of LED lighting products. The company is mainly an original design manufacturer and supplies products to customers who further distribute them under their own brands. If we take a look at the product bifurcations, the revenue from operations on a restated basis for 9-month period ended on December 31st, 2022 is 91% from LED lighting, 1.96% from refrigerator lights, and 6.77% from others. Let's take a look at IPO details now. IKIO Lighting IPO will open for subscription on June 6th and will be available for the public to bid till June 8th. The company aims to raise around 607 crore rupees via this IPO. The IPO comprises of fresh equity issue of 350 crore rupees, which would be deployed to build a greenfield facility and lower the company's debt. Along with that, there is also an offer for sale of 90 lakh shares. And under the OFS, promoters Hardeep Singh will offload 60 lakh shares and Surmeet Kaur will sell about 30 lakh shares. The Noida-based company has fixed a price band of 270 to 285 rupees per equity share. Investors can bid for a minimum of 52 shares in one lot and multiples thereafter. About 50% of the offer is reserved for qualified institutional buyers or QIBs, 35% of the issue is set aside for retail investors and 15% is for non-institutional investors. Now, if we talk about major clients, IKIO provides products to Signify India, also known as Philips India. Signify India has a 50% market share in India's decorative lighting segment. Of this, half of the requirement is catered to by the company through the addition of new products every year. The number of SKUs supplied to Signify India has increased to 753 at the end of December 2022 from 228 in FY18. The revenue from products manufactured for Signified India contributed nearly 50% of the total revenue in the 9 months of FY23. According to an ET Prime report, the company is also emerging as a beneficiary of the China Plus One theme by providing lighting solutions for recreational vehicles or RVs in the US. Now coming to the financials of the company, revenue grew by 22.7% annually to 331 crore rupees between FY20 and FY2022 on a pro forma consolidated basis. The operating profit before EBITDA rose by 44% to 77.3 crore rupees, implying an operating margin of 23.3%. Net profit grew 53% annually to 50.5 crore rupees during the same period. In the first 9 months of FY23, the company had revenues of 328.6 crore rupees with a profit of 51.3 crore rupees. At the upper band of the issue price, the company is demanding a price earnings multiple of 33 times based on the annualized financials of FY23, which translates into a market cap of 2200 crore rupees. We spoke to Amar Deo, Senior Vice President, Angel One Limited on this, and he said, IKIO's IPO comes at a time when the markets are inching towards their all-time highs. Also, global trends continue to be mixed given the major central banks focused on controlling inflation. The company has been growing steadily and has a strong presence. Investors should look at taking exposure in the stock with a longer-term perspective preferably. Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors is the book-running lead manager while KFin Technologies is the registrar for the issue.